Fruit flies are one of the most annoying bugs in existence. Whether it's the whole family, the occasional rogue ravager, or you're battling an all-out fruit fly infestation, you want to get rid of them. They get in your eyes, they fly up your nose, and are enamored by your overly ripe fruits and vegetables. Well, my friends, it is time to enforce a no-fly zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to commit fruit fly genocide with confidence. So to kill fruit flies, we need to make a trap. This is a very simple process. Step number one, we need to pick a container. It can be a bowl, a disposable plastic cup, a glass jar, or it can be a small little plastic container like this. This is just a little 4 ounce, and this is what I will be using. Step number two, pick your bait. I choose apple cider vinegar, but fruit flies are attracted to anything fermented. And what we're going to do is fill this little plastic container up about halfway. Step number three is to add 3 drops of dish soap to your solution. There will be no need to mix this stuff, but what this is going to do is it's going to cause those fruit flies to hit the solution, sink to the bottom, and drown. This is because the dish soap will break the surface tension of the water. It's the same concept as surfactants in cleaning supplies. Shout out to the video series I did entitled Understanding Cleaning Chemicals. If the science of how cleaning supplies works interests you, then I encourage you to check out that video series that I made on the channel. You'll find that underneath the playlist section. Step number 4, you're going to cover up your trap with plastic wrap. This is just to help prevent them from flying into the trap and flying back out of the trap and escaping accidentally. Step number 5, perform surgery. You just want to poke 4 or 5 nice little holes on top. Make sure the holes are big enough though, because if they're not big enough, then the fruit flies will just sit on top and basically laugh at you. And step number 6, execute. You want to strategically place these traps in the hot spots of your home where the fruit flies like to hang out. So by the fruits, by the trash can, just wherever they like to hang out, that's where you put the trap. I also recommend changing out that plastic every 48 hours or so, just in case those flying mamas have laid some eggs on top of your plastic wrap. And lastly, step number 7, keep the fruit flies away once they're gone. The way you do this is number 1, keep your home clean. Keep dirty dishes out of the sink, so put those in the dishwasher or wash those. 3, dry up any spilled sodas, any damp areas, keep those dry. 4, cover up your food. And 5, make sure you throw out any old, overly ripe, decaying fruit and vegetables. And also one final tip, and you probably haven't thought about this, but whenever you buy your fruits and vegetables from the store or the farmer's market and you bring those home, make sure you wash those before storing them, because you want to make sure you wash off any eggs that may have been laid on those fruits and vegetables from the store or the farmer's market. So make sure you get those washed up when you bring them home. And that, my friends, is how to get rid of fruit flies. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you liked it and you found it valuable, please give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Really helps us out. And if you want to take our relationship to the next level, drop me a comment down below and share with me your favorite way to kill fruit flies. And until next time, my friends, implement the steps I've outlined in this video and keep those little boogers away from your sweet summer treats for good.
Perceive it or not, but you better stop believing there's power in this product to decrease and devour. A 90-minute job just turn into an hour.